I'm here in Vancouver, Chinatown, right here at Monday's Barbecue Meat. So this is right on Keefer and Gore, right on the Chinatown Parade Route. So make sure you drop in, try their barbecue. So near the end of the day, but still pretty good selection here. It's a rainy day today, otherwise I would have gone to that little mini park. There's three kinds of meat here. So you have the nice barbecue pork. So it's I asked for the half fat, half meat, so you get the fatty meat. So if you don't ask, they might give you the lean pork. So I always ask. So you got a nice portion of chicken here. Looks really plump, nice color on the skin. And then you get the nice barbecue duck. Nice meaty duck. They give me some nice pieces here. Nice pieces, and a little bit of fatty duck on the end. So pretty good deal here. You also get some veggies here, which is the broccoli. Nice looking Chinese barbecue pork. Look at that. Looks really fresh. Wow, that's melting in your mouth. Lots of flavor. So marinate it and then roasted. That's really, really tasty and tender. So far, so good. Make sure you dip your duck with your other meats in the sauce. Oh, this is gonna be good. Just infuse it. So this is the Chinese barbecue duck. Lots of meat on there. Nice color in the skin. Wow, that's nice. Tasty, tasty. It's really good duck. Nice and tender. Lots of flavor. Lots of inside the cavity. There's a flavor. Let's give this chicken a try. So nicely colored on the skin. Looks really juicy. I said everything. I said everything about this place. I think the meat is pretty juicy, fresh, tender. It's like a choice of I think Chinese roast chicken and Chinese steamed chicken. I think they have the free range chicken as well. So good variety. Well worth a visit. I just dumped all the dipping sauce onto the rice, so I'm gonna eat this rice infused with all the flavor of the roasted meats. Look at that, look at that. So this rice has all the dipping sauce infused into the rice. Wow, it's good. The rice is done to perfection, nicely separated on the grains, not mushy. So everything about this place is good. I used to buy the odd time, I used to come here at the odd time, a long time ago. Haven't been here for a while. So really good to come back. So make sure, come down to Chinatown. Get some of this delicious food. So be sure to stop by for the Chinatown Parade on February 22nd. The parade will go right in front of this barbecue place. So make sure you pick up some barbecue meats when you come for the parade. Stay tuned for future episode on how to serve Chinese barbecue meats for Chinese New Year dinner. This is a recipe for Chinese roast lemon chicken. For this recipe, we're using a smaller free-range chicken, so it's about 2 to 2.5 pounds. The main ingredients are ginger, garlic, star anise, 5-spice, cooking oil, and of course, the salted lemons. So 1 teaspoon of salt. That's a tablespoon. Tablespoon. That's dark Chinese soy sauce. So about a teaspoon of sesame oil.
Ginger.
Okay, so 3 tablespoons of ginger, 2 tablespoons of garlic. So I mixed it together.
It's right.
Okay, more than. Okay. It's more than. Half teaspoon of 5-spice, 3 star anise. Okay. Put 2/3 of the ingredients inside the cavity of the chicken, including the star anise. Leave some of the liquids for the outside. Okay, so we don't have any green onion stock, so we're just gonna throw about 3 teaspoons of chopped green onions. Once you finish putting all the ingredients inside the chicken, the rest of the liquids you can rub over the surface of the chicken. Be sure to cover the sides and the bottom of the chicken as well. You can use a metal or wooden skewer to keep the ingredients from leaking out from the cavity. For this recipe, we're using salted Vietnamese whole lemons. These lemons are fairly small, so you can use 3 or 4 of them. If you don't have these salted lemons, just take half a regular lemon and squeeze the juices over the surface of the chicken.
Có là cái yêu cầu sẵn cầu muốn đun sôi trời. Muốn đun sôi trời. Anh có 2 yêu cầu hay làm đúng.
Preheat the oven at 400 degrees. Cook the chicken for the first 25 minutes at 400 degrees. Turn the tray around and cook the chicken for the final 25 minutes at 325 degrees. If you like, you can baste the chicken with honey. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of water. The water will make the honey flow easily over the chicken. Baste the honey water on the chicken in the last 15 minutes. This is the last step because honey will burn. Time's up. Remove the chicken and let the chicken cool for at least 10 to 15 minutes before cutting. There you have it, a simple, easy recipe for Chinese roast lemon chicken. Wow, that's good. Salted lemons really sweat into the chicken, especially the skin. So that leaves a real delicious taste. So I think that salted lemon is what makes this dish taste really delicious. So thanks for checking my video. Please subscribe. Any questions or comments, I really do appreciate. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use.